Magdi Yacoub, one of the greatest cardiac surgeons in the world, was born on November 16, 1935 in the city of Belbis, Sharqiya Governorate, Egypt. He belongs to an Orthodox Coptic family. His father was a doctor, which greatly influenced his interest in the world of medicine from a young age. Shot red heart, early passion and family influence since his childhood. Drive. Yacoub has been passionate about serving others and saving lives. His father, who was a committed doctor, inspired him to devote his life to helping. But the biggest impetus came when he lost his aunt due to a heart disease that had no cure at that time. This event had a profound impact on his life. And from that moment he decided to devote himself to the treatment of heart diseases and the development of his surgeries. Stethoscope. Academic achievements. Cairo University Faculty of Medicine. Drive. Yacoub graduated with distinction in 1957, to begin his journey in the world of medicine. Specialization in cardiac surgery. After graduation, he moved to Britain where he specialized in surgery and completed his training in the most important hospitals and medical centers, such as the Hospital, Harefield. Ambulance. Professional beginnings during the 60s. He worked in Britain and the United States, began to develop modern techniques in cardiac surgery. Thanks to his passion and creativity, he quickly became a bright name in this field. Outstanding achievement. The world leaders in this specialty. His early journey was a combination of perseverance, innovation, and dedication, which made him a role model in the field of medicine and humanity. A universal symbol of dedication and creativity. Drive. Magdi Yacoub has made it his life's goal not only to save lives, but to improve the quality of life of patients around the world. Beating heart with his passionate and humane character. He left an unforgettable imprint on everyone he met, be they patients, students or colleagues. Globe sparkles. Unwavering dedication to patient care. Heart. Despite being one of the leading cardiac surgeons in the world, Dr. Yacoub never looked at patients only as medical conditions. He treated every patient as a human being who deserved the best possible care. Even in the most complicated situations, he would give his time to listen to them and provide psycho-emotional support besides medical treatment. Sparkles. He created many programs to support patients with heart disease in poor countries. He founded the foundation, Chain of Hope, which provides surgical care to children with heart disease for free. The dawn of innovation. Early breakthroughs. Rocket. Drive. Yacoub was always striving to revolutionize cardiac surgery, as he not only applied traditional methods but continued to challenge the status quo with his creations. 1. Heart valve replacement surgery. In his early years, he was one of the pioneers in the development of heart valve replacement operations. This technique, which was considered fantastic for its time, became possible thanks to his bold research and experiments. He worked on the development of artificial heart valves with high efficiency and better longevity. He contributed to improving the results of surgeries and reducing their complications, giving patients greater chances of recovery. 2. New techniques for complex heart surgeries. With the increasing complexity of the cases he encountered, Dr. Yacoub worked on the design of new technologies, including heart transplantation. He played a pivotal role in the development of this technique in Britain, where he performed hundreds of successful operations. Pediatric cardiac reconstruction. He created unique solutions for cases of complex congenital heart defects, saving the lives of thousands of children. 3. Artificial heart. He led pioneering research to develop a fully artificial heart, which could save patients waiting for heart transplants. Scientific and humanitarian legacy. Glowing star. Drive. Yacoub's innovations were a combination of scientific courage and a beating heart of humanity. With his vision, His techniques not only revolutionized cardiac surgery, but also changed the way patients were perceived, combining scientific progress with human compassion. Heart light bulb drive. Yacoub today is an inspiration for everyone who believes that medicine is not just a science, but a message. Mind of a pioneer, Dr. Magdi Yacoub's 5 most significant discoveries. Glowing star. Dr. Magdi Yacoub, the legendary heart surgeon, has not only saved countless lives but also transformed the field of cardiology through groundbreaking innovations. Let's dive into 5 of his most significant discoveries and contributions that have shaped modern medicine. Shot red heart. 1. Advancements in heart valve replacement surgery. Drive. Yacoub revolutionized the field of heart valve replacement, focusing on improving the durability and functionality of artificial valves. Key innovation. He introduced advanced techniques to create more natural valve movements and minimize complications. Impact. His work has extended the life expectancy of patients with valve diseases, offering them a better quality of life. 2. Zoning in on zonal technique for valve repair. Dr. Yacoub developed the zonal method for mitral valve repair, a technique that identifies zones of the valve for precise repair. Key achievement. This approach increased the success rates of repairing valves rather than replacing them, preserving the natural valve and reducing the need for future surgeries. Impact. It became a benchmark in surgical procedures for mitral valve disease. 3. Breakthroughs in heart transplantation. Ambulance. Known as the King of Hearts, Dr. Yacoub pushed the boundaries of heart transplantation, especially in the United Kingdom. Key achievement. He led one of the first successful heart transplant programs in the UK, performing hundreds of surgeries. Impact. His work paved the way for the widespread adoption of heart transplants globally, saving countless lives. 4. Pioneering research on congenital heart defects in children. Child red heart. Dr. Yacoub's compassion for children led him to focus on congenital heart conditions. Key innovation. He developed surgical techniques to reconstruct malformed hearts in young patients, giving them a chance at a normal life. Impact. His work became a lifeline for thousands of children worldwide, particularly in underprivileged regions.